Hello everybody, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to convert HTML file to PDF. So let's have a look now. To convert HTML to PDF, I'm gonna use an online converter. There is so many websites you can use to convert your HTML file to PDF, but I prefer using this website. Open your web browser, search for Cloud Convert, and once you are on this website, click on Select File. Locate and select your HTML file, then click on Open. Now click on this arrow and select PDF. Click on Convert. This may take some moments to upload and convert your file. As you see, it has been converted to PDF. To download this, simply click on the download button. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.